Example 4. Solve a multi-step problem. Rental business. A business rents inline skates and bicycles. During one day, the business has a total of 25 rentals and collects $450 for the rentals. Find the number of pairs of skates rented and the number of bicycles rented. Solution. Step 1. Write a linear system. Let x be the number of pairs of skates rented, and let y be the number of bicycles rented. Rentals. Inline skates $15 per day. Bicycles $30 per day. Equation for the number of rentals. X plus y is equal to 25. Equation for the money collected from rentals. 15x plus 30y is equal to 450. Step 2. Graph both equations. Step 3. Estimate the point of intersection. Okay, we're going to go back over to step 2 and we're going to graph both equations. Remember, before we graph, we want to put it in y equals mx plus b form. So with the first equation, we're going back. Now once again, all this you're supposed to know how to solve already. But as a refresher, and to help those who are still stuck, x plus y is equal to 25. We're trying to solve for y, get the y by itself. That means the x has to go. This is a positive x, so the inverse of positive would be negative. So therefore I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Subtract x here and here. X minus x goes to 0. So I'm left with y by itself. Here I got a negative x plus 25. They cannot be added or subtracted together because they are not like terms. So therefore I end up with a negative x plus 25. Here my slope is a negative 1 and my y-intercept is a positive 25. Second equation, 15x plus 30y is equal to 450. I want to get the 30y by itself first. So therefore I must get rid of this positive 15x. The inverse of a positive 15x is a negative 15x. So I would do that on both sides. What's 15x minus 15x? That goes to 0. 15x minus 15x goes to 0. I'm left with just 30y. On this side, once again, the terms are not alike, so I'll just write down what I have. Negative 15x plus 450. Now I'm left with 30y is equal to a negative 15x plus 450. Once again, I'm trying to get the y by itself. It says 30 times y. So what's the inverse of multiplication? Division. So therefore I divide both sides by 30. 30 here, and also on this side 30. 30 divided by 30 is 1. So I'm left with just 1y. 1y. I got a negative 15 divided by 30. I'm going to reduce that. 15 goes into 15 once. 15 goes into 30 twice. And the negative sign is still there. Why? Because a negative divided by a positive is a negative. Once again, a negative divided by a positive will still give me a negative. And then 450 divided by 30 would be 15. The zeros cancel out, and 3 goes into 45 15 times. So now I'm ready to graph. So let's go to the first equation. Y is equal to negative x plus 25. My y-intercept is 25, so that's there. All right, my slope is a negative 1. My slope is a negative 1, so that means I'm going down, like so. All right, so that's that line there. Next, I got y is equal to a negative 1/2 x plus 15. My y-intercept is 15, so that's that right there. And my slope is 1 over 2. So I'm down 1 over 2. down 1 over 2. And I can see where I'm intersecting. So this is my point of intersection. I got a value of 20, and I got a value of 5. A value of 20 and a value of 5. So the business rented 20 pairs of skates and 5 bicycles. 20 pairs of skates and 5 bicycles. Once again, don't forget, we let X be the number of pairs of skates, and we let Y be the number of bicycles rented. That concludes section 6.1. You may start your assignment.